हेलो एवरीवन, उम्मीद करते हैं सब बहुत बहुत अच्छे होंगे। हम लोग का आज का जो डिस्कशन है वो बेसिकली है जो अभी कॉमन पीजी एंट्रेंस टेस्ट हुआ है उस पे आज हम लोग एमबीए का पूरा आंसर की डिस्कस कर लेंगे। तो बेसिकली मेरा पोर्शन है इंग्लिश प्लस जनरल नॉलेज दैट इज जीके एंड बाकी मैथ्स एंड रीजनिंग विकास सर डील करेंगे। तो आज हम लोग इसका पूरा आंसर की देख लेते हैं। देखो पहला क्वेश्चन है द सेकेंड हाफ ऑफ द मूवी वॉज डैश इंटरेस्टिंग, लेस इंटरेस्टिंग दैट इज बी। नेक्स्ट द लेडी टू डैश यू सेंड द पार्सल हैज मूव टू अ न्यू एड्रेस, whom the lady to whom you send the parcel has moved to a new address. Next select the word which is closest to the opposite in meaning of the underlined word. Opposite पूछा है। The conciseness of his expression surprised me and यहाँ opposite बताना है that is antonyms। तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर होगा ए redundancy. Next the officer asked the clerk to expedite the matter. expedite का रिवर्स हो जाएगा delay that is D. Next the inhabitants of the island were barbarians and barbarians का रिवर्स हो जाएगा D civilized. Next the painting is full of radiant colors. radiant का रिवर्स हो जाएगा C dull. Next अब क्वेश्चन में बोला है चूज द वर्ड नियरेस्ट इन मीनिंग टू द अंडरलाइंड वर्ड। अब आपको नियरेस्ट बताना है दैट इज सिमिलर वर्ड्स बताना है। ही इज सो गार्रुलस दैट ऑल सोबर पर्सन्स अवॉइड हिज कंपनी दैट इज इसका करेक्ट आंसर होगा बी टॉकेटिव। नेक्स्ट इंडोलेंट पीपल नेवर सक्सीड इन लाइफ दैट इज स्लोथफुल। इसके नियरेस्ट वर्ड कौन सा करेक्ट है? स्लोथफुल दैट इज डी। नेक्स्ट The import technology as an alternative to indigenous technology has not been discussed fully. इसका करेक्ट आंसर होगा D native. Next, he likes his friend in spite of his little frailties. तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर होगा D weaknesses, क्योंकि नियरेस्ट वर्ड हमें बताना था। अब देखो क्वेश्चन में पूछा चूज द करेक्ट सेंटेंस। The rat ran in the hole. The rat ran into the hole. The rat ran to the hole. The rat across the hole. B into the hole. Next Ravi suffering of fever, Ravi suffering with fever, Ravi suffering from fever, Ravi suffering in fever. Correct answer होगा C from fever. Next है choose the correct alternative to fill in the blanks. The dash was faulty. Equipments are, equipment was, equipments were, equipment were. B the equipment was faulty. Next dash arrived for you in this morning. Furniture that is D. Next we would have passed if we dash harder. Had if we had studied harder that is B. And next which of the answers dash worth 20 points is, which of the answer is worth 20 points? इसका करेक्ट आंसर होगा C. अब देखो यहाँ से क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट हो गए हैं जनरल नॉलेज के। इंग्लिश के क्वेश्चंस बस इतने ही थे। पहला क्वेश्चन है ओडिशा स्टेट एंथम बंदे उत्कल जननी वॉज रिटन बाय C कांता काबी लक्ष्मीकांता मोहपात्रा. नेक्स्ट When did the Citizen Amendment Act CAA passed by Government of India? इसका करेक्ट आंसर है C December 2019. Next from which country recently India purchased a multi-role fighter aircraft Rafale for the use of the Indian Air Force? B France. Which of the following places on Indo-China border is recently news for the violent face-off between the Indian Army and the PLA of China? A Galwan Valley. Next the Vedic texts are divided into two parts are known as Shruti and Smruti that is A. Next in which year the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor Agreement was signed between China and Pakistan? इसका करेक्ट आंसर होगा D 2015, क्योंकि बेसिकली 20th of April 2015 को साइन हुआ था। तो करेक्ट आंसर होगा D 2015. नेक्स्ट ह्यूमन बींग्स आर रेफर्ड टू एज होमो सैपियंस विच डिवाइस इज कॉल्ड सिलिको सैपियंस? C रोबोट. Next, different components of the motherboard of a PC unit are linked together by sets of parallel electrical conducting lines. What are these lines called? इसके लिए हम श्योर नहीं है, बट जहाँ तक हमें पता है आंसर होगा B buses. Next, electrically charged particles from space traveling at speeds of several hundred kilometers per second can severely harm living beings if they reach the surface of the earth. What prevents them from reaching the surface of the earth? The earth's magnetic field diverts them toward its pole. That is B. Next, the function of heavy water in a nuclear reactor is to A. slow down the speed of neutrons. Next, Fruits stored in a cold chamber exhibit longer storage life because correct answer is A, rate of respiration is decreased. Next, the genetic material of coronavirus that causes COVID-19 is B, RNA. Next, according to National Education Policy 2020, to what percent the gross enrollment ratio in higher education to be raised up to 2035, that is 2035. Correct answer होगा D, 50%. Next, the GST Council has decided a 4-tier structure of taxation to cover most goods and services. Which of the following is a correct group of these 4 tiers? Correct answer होगा C, 5%, 12%, 18% and 28%. Next, which stock exchange is the oldest stock exchange in India? B, Bombay Stock Exchange. Next, which bank is called Bankers Bank? RBI? That is B, Central Bank of India. If a general manager asks a sales manager to recruit some salesmen on his behalf, it is an instant of C, delegation of authority. And मेरा जो लास्ट क्वेश्चन है वो है इंडिया इज अ डेवलप्ड कंट्री, डेवलपिंग कंट्री, कैपिटलिस्ट कंट्री और हाईली इंडस्ट्रियलाइज्ड कंट्री. बी, डेवलपिंग कंट्री.